Again, students, we did similar questions like these from before. You can check your the questions before. Now this is a quadratic and a radical, so you need to subtract them. So this will become x squared plus 1 minus root x. So you're going to plug this in the calculator because it's really hard to do it without a calculator. I'm going to use Desmos here. So if I want to use this, it's going to be, first of all, it's going to be plus 1 like this, and minus radical. This is the radical sign. I'm going to grab it from here, and this is x, and take this down. This is the graph of, and we have a similar question from before. This is how it looks like. Okay, you just simple put it here. Now the reason why don't we have anything to the left here, for example, I don't know if you're familiar, but look, radical x, you can't have a values for x less than 0 or negative, because you have imaginary numbers, and imaginary numbers are not included in your SL studies. So the values of x should be greater than or equal to 0. That's why we have the domain is just here, or the graph is just in the first quadrant. Okay, because the values of x that you are allowed to use in these types of functions are only x where x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, let me know, طلاب, your understanding of this question. So if you go back, if you go back to your question and take a look at the graph, there you go. Okay, let me know, طلاب, your thoughts about this particular question, and if you have an idea, any question about why we had just the positive side, not the negative side, if it wasn't clear, please let me know, okay, in the comment section at the end of this page.